Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to export range of cells in Excel to CSV file with Kutools for Excel. If you are not interested in the VBA code, here I can introduce you to an easy tool, Kutools for Excel. With its export range to file feature, you can quickly solve this job. Select the data range that you want to export to a CSV file. Click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on the Import and Export drop-down list and click on the Export Range to File feature. In the Export Range to a File dialog box, choose CSV, delimited from the File Format option. And if you select Save the Actual Values, it will display the actual values in the final file. And if you select Save Values as shown on the screen, it will display the values in the final file as the same you read them on the computer screen. And by checking this open the file after export option, it will automatically open the file after exporting the range if you check this option. And then specify the save directory by clicking on this button to save the new CSV file. Then click the OK button. Again click the OK button, and the prompt box will pop out to remind you to specify a name for this new CSV file as you need. And then click the OK button to close this box, and the selected data will be exported as a CSV file at once, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.